What are all these trash bags you're giving me?
About 1,000 of these supercar suspect masks. You wiped out the entire warehouse with your 1,000 supercar suspect masks.
There's 1,000 SCS masks in here that have already been sold that need to be shipped right now. Alright, how's it going, guys? Chris here, the Supercar Suspects. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. I got my boy Shaw over here.
Up,
the whole squad is out here right now. Where are we at?
Hey, we're at SSR Performance. It's a beautiful Friday evening, or afternoon, I should say. And we got some beautiful cars out here, some beautiful people.
I heard they got a 720. I gotta come out here, check it out. My absolute dream car. Never been in it. You guys have seen me race 720s, stock 720s. This is definitely not stock. You guys will hear momentarily. Yep, not stock.
Cops are definitely on their way.
Yeah, cops are coming today. Casual Friday afternoon here at SSR Performance. Beautiful 570 with a 1016 carbon fiber hood over here. M2 lowered cage, all that good stuff. Tuned 650S. More BMWs, more BMWs, more BMWs. The street is full of BMWs. S2000. Brought the vet out here, and right next to that, pretty close color actually. A beautiful 720 with that 1016 carbon fiber hood. We got some merch delivery from a 720S.
Yeah.
I'm down.
Just a casual,
I'm down.
Just a casual day. Here, bro.
Thank you so much, man.
Yeah, here.
Sick ass SSR shirts. Oh man, they're hooking it up.
Hey, you want a Supreme jacket too?
No. It's got the full titanium exhaust. You guys make this exhaust, right?
Sir, we got the titanium
So
exhaust
sick.
on there, SSR downpipes. We got a custom tune, so we actually have a dyno here. We'll show it to you guys in a little bit. And yeah, we custom calibrated this with dyno spectrum on the actual dyno itself.
Dude, this thing's
crazy power, but we got a little bit more secret sauce left in there, right, Manny? Hey, Manny. Yeah. A little bit more secret sauce coming.
Yes, sir. Next week.
So this might be one of the fastest 720s out there, huh?
It really might be.
What's going on with this guy? I know it's not stock. I heard him, bro.
Definitely not stock. It just came off the dyno yesterday. We just actually finished doing all the installs. We got pure stage 2 turbos on there. We got a custom methanol kit that we actually fully fabricated and installed in this thing. It's making 900 wheel horsepower on the dyno. Thanks to Dyno Spectrum, they do all our McLaren calibrations here. 900 wheel horsepower, guys. That's
on a 650S, dude. That's spool down.
So on this one, we're actually just coating it right now, so you can see all the wires and cables and all this stuff going on in there. So it's just getting coated and it'll be ready to go.
Dude, look how sick this inside is. Full yellow cage with the Recaros. Whose is this car right here?
Prius over here belongs to some tool. Just kidding. This is our shop car here. So this one's pretty much on our Power Pack 2, stage 2. It's making probably around 650 wheel or so. Nothing
Plenty power for the street,
yeah, we haven't
bro.
gone crazy. We haven't touched the turbos.
I can't even stand here. Like, I'm going blind.
Hey, we do full custom tunings for all European vehicle. We also do the American cars too. So the Corvettes.
That is a sick fucking dyno room.
Yeah,
what the
man.
fuck?
Yeah,
Holy crap.
We get a lot of compliments on it. And that's thanks to Zane over here. As you can see, he put it in work right now.
This is a sick dyno room, man. Quick rundown in here.
Quick rundown. Transmission swap, exhaust swap, rod bearing, supercharger and rod bearing, BF supercharger 595, and I think that one's a downpipe.
And then there's one more car in here. I haven't showed them yet.
Yeah, you haven't. Hey.
It's right over here.
Right
here. All right, we got my boy Manny over here, and this is your car, huh?
Yeah. So I kind of tore it apart.
Yeah, I can tell.
A 1016, first ever full carbon on this.
This is fucking crazy. The entire car is carbon fiber and wide body.
We're doing an air suspension on this.
Oh my
Check out
god.
the back. We have a little surprise.
What's going on back here?
Supercharger, VF supercharger.
VF Engineering supercharger. This was on 800,
And then
91.
Yeah, 91. But we're actually going to convert it to full E85, which will be interesting.
Yeah, it'll be quite a bit faster. Before we hop into 720, my guy over here in the 700 wheel horsepower plus M3 wants to give me a quick ride. So I'm not really too big of a fan of BMWs, but he might change my mind right now. So let's do it. Okay. Yeah, it's quick. It's fast. That last one was a fucking flame. It's got some good brakes on there, man. You guys know what that means now. It's time for the 720S, and makes 300 more horsepower than that, and it's lighter. And I'm genuinely scared for my life at this point. First time in a 720. I think the door handle is here. Oh, there it is. Oh yeah. Does it got pops though? Yes it does.
You got bombs. What's your anti-roll like right now? 5,000 RPM.
Oh my fucking god. That's it. Dude, this guy's driving around like it's a fucking racetrack out here. I love it. You understand how many people have called the cops on you in the last 60 seconds? So where's that anti-lag button?
Right here.
Ah, there it is.
You showed the video of the afterburners.
You guys want to see a crazy ass fucking... You guys want to see what that anti-lag looks like at nighttime? Check this out. Alright, so yeah, there's cops coming down the street now. And my car's right over here somewhere. There it is. What a day, guys. Oh my goodness. You guys have seen videos of me racing 720s. I have multiple friends with 720s, but up till today, I had never been in my absolute dream car. So huge shout out to the guys from SSR for hooking it up with the entire tour of this place. I drove an hour down here to sit in that car for 2 minutes, and it might be one of the greatest experiences I've ever had in my life, and absolutely a fantastic motivation because we got a supercar coming to the channel very, very soon, boys. Thank you so much, bro. I'm gonna be back here every day from now on. I'm gonna be annoying the shit out of him. Now this is what I really want to ride in. I'm coming back for you, baby. Don't you worry.
Yeah, I put my Louis V on her. Yeah, I put my Louis V on her. Yeah, I put my Louis V on her. I pull up 3 plus on them,